Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, roll formers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a nice machine here. This is an Engel roll former. It's an 8-stand. You'll take a look here. Each one of these are called stands. Each one of these has different tooling. You can see all the way throughout here. We have the cover off, of course, so you can see all this. Usually the guard right there will be on the machine. But you can see all these rolls. As the metal goes down this, it's going to form into a different shape. Here you can see the shapes that we have. We'll show some close-ups on the site. Now every roll is going to make different shapes. We usually don't even know which ones they make until we actually test them out. So once you make each side of this, we did a roll forming test, and you can see they fit really nice together. They slide right into each other, and you have a roll former. We'll just show you how that works here. Now you can see all the different rolls moving. So we're going to send this piece through. When it comes out the other side, it'll have that shape. You can see each one of those are forming into a different shape. Almost like magic, we now have our first lock. Now we'll go to our other side. Do the same thing on this side, and this is going to have the opposite lock, which wouldn't be done usually on the same piece unless you're locking other things into it. But there you can see is our other shape, and these two shapes work together. Now if this isn't the type of shape you're looking for, if a Pittsburgh seam, there's a lot of different shapes that you might need. We have other ones here as well. You can see all the different machines make different shapes. They all have different rolls. You can change these out, but it's usually pretty expensive to change it out. So if you can find something that's making exactly what you want, that'd be the best for you. So let us know what you're looking for, what actually you're trying to produce from these machines, and we'll see if we have one for you. If you have something to buy, sell, or trade, let us know. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.